Forgotten username recovery failed on BBT now Truist Fix. If your Truist formerly BBT username recovery keeps failing, you're probably frustrated. But here's the thing, most people overlook one small detail that makes all the difference. Let's walk through how to fix it the right way. Start by going to the Truist login page and selecting Forgot User IT. You'll be prompted to enter your account number, last name, and social security number. Make sure everything matches exactly as it appears on your account. If your information does match perfectly, the system won't recover your username. If you've changed your email address or phone number since creating your account, that's likely the problem. Truist's recovery system uses your original contact details for verification. Try using your old email or phone number if possible. Didn't receive the recovery email? Check your spam or promotions folder for a message from Truist Online Banking. The email should arrive within minutes. If it doesn't, wait at least 10 minutes before trying again. Sometimes their servers delay confirmation messages during peak hours. If you still can't recover your username, call Truist customer service at 1-800-226-5228. A representative can verify your identity and help you retrieve or reset your login credentials directly. The surprising truth is that most Truist login recovery failures come from simple mismatches like using a nickname instead of your legal name or entering an old zip code. Once your identity is verified, recovery is fast and secure. So next time, make sure your contact details are current and accurate. Keeping your Truist profile up to date ensures that if you ever forget your username again, recovery will be smooth and stress-free.